Unraveling the phrase, be on the fence, a guide to decision-making in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Be on the fence. This expression is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can significantly enhance your conversational skills. So, let's jump right in and unravel the mystery behind this phrase. The phrase, be on the fence, is a popular idiomatic expression in English. It is used to describe a situation where a person is undecided or uncertain about making a choice between two or more options. Imagine sitting on a fence, not able to decide which side to jump down to. That's exactly the feeling this phrase aims to convey: the indecision and hesitation before making a significant choice. Examples in everyday use. I'm still on the fence about going on vacation this summer. I can't decide if I should save money or travel. She's on the fence about accepting the job offer. The position is great, but the company is far from her home. Understanding this phrase can help you articulate feelings of indecision more naturally in English conversations. The phrase, be on the fence, has its roots in an interesting historical context. It likely originated from the physical act of sitting on a fence, embodying neutrality or indecision between two distinct areas or choices. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical expression used to depict someone who is hesitant to make a decision or take a clear stance on an issue. This expression reflects the common human experience of uncertainty, making it a relatable and widely used phrase in English-speaking cultures. To use "be on the fence" effectively in your conversations, it's important to understand its context. This phrase is best suited for informal discussions and situations where you're expressing personal indecision or neutrality. Here are some tips. 1. Expressing personal indecision. Use it when you're sharing your own hesitations about making a choice. 2. I'm on the fence about moving to a new city. It could be a great opportunity, but I'll miss my friends. 3. Discussing others' indecisions. It can also describe someone else's uncertainty. 4. My brother is still on the fence about which college to attend. 5. Neutral stance in debates. When discussing contentious topics, you might use it to express a neutral or undecided stance. 6. Regarding that political issue, I'm currently on the fence. By integrating this phrase into your English, you can more accurately describe the nuances of decision-making and uncertainty. And there you have it, folks. A complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, be on the fence. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting expression and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a fantastic way to enrich your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and never hesitate to explore the depths of this beautiful language.